Hey y'all. I got a frog in my throat or something. Damn, bitch. Hop on, say hey, let me know you're watching. If you're catching the replay and you do not see the little red light up there, hashtag replay in down yonder in the comments, just so I know that you stopped by and got to have a little fun with me. So we're shaving today. I've never done this before, but it's going to be an experience. I see somebody hopping on. When you hop on, say hey. Let me know you're on here. We're just going to do a little shaving. See how that goes for me. I haven't even done my skincare or anything like that. I've seen a few videos about this, so of course I'm a professional. So leave it to the professionals. Don't try this at home. No, you can try. You can try it at home. Definitely try it at home. I hear we're gonna be shaving our face, and this is good for a smooth makeup application. From what I hear, like I said, I have not done it before, but so it gets all the baby hairs. If you have a lot of baby hairs on your face, it'll get all of that off of your face. And then also if you have like some dry skin that's just like sticking there that you didn't get off for exfoliating, or it's not time for you to exfoliate again, you can definitely do this, and then you're just gonna have a smooth makeup application. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. Like I said, I have not done my skincare yet. I guess I don't before. I'm gonna apply some oil to my face though. This is just some rose oil. Looks like somebody's been biting on the end. This is just gonna make it so the razor glides all so smoothly. Hey, Randy May. Oh, it's getting everywhere. It's oil. It's movable. Okay, yes. Just slather it on there. So I guess you can use any kind of oil, or you can even use moisturizer. Just something to give your razor a good... Hey, Erica. Hey, Rebecca. Just to give your razor like something to glide on. Okay. I still got my scratch going on. I'll never sit on the couch with the dog again. Okay, so I guess the best bet is just to start from top and go down. So that's what we're going to do. I just got this little cheap razor. It comes from Amazon in a pack of like so many. Okay. Let's see, okay? Let me see if I can move a little closer. Most of my dead skin's on my cheek. And I guess I have some hair over here too. I'm not like a really hairy person. I know some people are. I have a friend that's got a lot of hair on her face. And I think she says she does shave her face. But see, and my oil is just gliding so smoothly down. I don't even know if I got anything. Do I have hair there or not? I mean, what's going on? Let's not take the eyebrows off. That wouldn't be nice. I'm kind of glad that I didn't do my skincare first. I just feel like after you do it, your face might be a little irritated from the razor. So maybe you might need to do your skincare and kind of soothe it and pamper it a little bit. Pamper it a little bit. But I did see this on TikTok. Anybody else seen this on TikTok? I'm not crazy, I promise. Y'all let me know if y'all have seen this on TikTok. It's an actual thing. Oh, shaving your face. I feel like so far it's very pointless for me. I haven't got nothing. Okay. I feel like a man sitting here shaving my face. Oh, I got a little something. I don't know if you can see that or not. This one girl, she was shaving her face on TikTok and she just had all kinds of black hair. I definitely don't got that. I guess I could shave my sideburns. Maybe my razor's not working. Am I going the wrong way? What? Because it's just like combing out my sideburns. Maybe my razor's too cheap. I got another one over here. Let's try it out.
Wait, stop.
Oh, this one feels a little bit more abrasive. This one scared me. I don't know if shaving my face is for me or not. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. It's gotta definitely be getting that dead skin off because I hear it bumping up against my face, like, you know, like the scratching noise. Now the hair, I don't know about that. See, it's not even cutting that one. Maybe I gotta do it at the root of the problem. Bitch, I found out what I was doing wrong. I was holding it wrong. Okay. We got something popping now. Let's get it popping, bitches. Let's apply some more oil.
Mom! That's so loud.
What? You? Because it sounded like you was loud. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Y'all, I really got, there was some black stuff down there. I just got excited.
Guys, have you heard how annoying she was?
Look, y'all see it?
If y'all heard how annoying she is.
I didn't even know I had all that hair on my face.
Over here looking like Bigfoot.
Me?
Yeah.
Look at that, y'all. Okay. Okay.
If you think my mom's being a little not smart right now, comment I. Look.
I'm shaving your face next.
I need somebody to commit I have too smooth skin.
You have baby smooth skin. Look how nasty that looks. Oh my god. I didn't even know my face was that hairy. Okay, we doing it. Okay.
Over here looking like...
I hope you just sit over there and roast me. Oh, that was a pimple right there.
No, my face really be looking like a grilled cheese right now.
Oh, I cut myself!
Yo, your lip be looking like a...
I really cut myself!
Your lip be looking like a ham and cheese sandwich.
I cut myself.
The cheese is your teeth.
Do not try this at home. Y'all, I did not know it was going to be so brutal. It's such a bad cut, it won't stop bleeding.
You gotta be light.
Oh my god, I'm going to the Porch Fest tomorrow.
You idiot. You gotta be light with it. And yes, I just called you that because you literally Mortal Kombat fatality'd yourself, Mom.
Well, y'all, I probably gotta go to the hospital and get stitches. It won't stop bleeding. Who does that?
Yeah, you.
I feel like I need to finish shaving my other side of my face, though.
No! No!
I can't believe I cut myself. Y'all, is it gonna clot up? Oh my god.
You're kind of stupid for that one, Mom. Because Jake ain't your ass, Joe. Because he's Jake.
And I didn't think the razor was that good. I guess it's better than I thought.
Hand that to me, Blair.
Y'all, for real, it's not clotting up. Like, how long is it gonna take? Am I gonna have to wear a band-aid right here tomorrow?
I erased
A Band-Aid does not go with my attire.
What is it? What's that?
You know what I need? I need one of them, like, Seal-It Band-Aids.
What's that?
Well, now I'm officially like a man. I cut myself shaving. Oh, okay, so I'm going to do like they do.
Mom, you're not a man whatsoever.
I am today.
No, you're not. Mom, if you pee while standing up, does that make you a man? No.
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it don't? What makes you a man?
Having a pee-pee
Oh.
and you being born with a pee-pee.
I don't have one of them.
Okay, yeah, you're not a man.
You're not done yet.
Having a pee-pee and being the age of 18, that's what makes you a man.
Okay.
That's not making.
So you're not a man? What are you?
A shop. A boy?
No.
I'm not a manly man yet. I'm a
You're
childish
a
child.
man.
Well, I do not recommend shaving your face.
Mom!
I can't believe I cut myself. And I feel like I need to continue. Okay, y'all. I'm going to call it quits before I cut myself again.
Mom, you're so cheap. Yeah.
Well, apparently my razor was pretty good.
In my opinion, you're pretty dumb. Yeah.
I'm about to melatonin your ass to bed. Yeah. Same with you, Blair. Okay, y'all. Well, I'm going to call it quits. I do not recommend shaving your face. I heard it was a good thing to do. But you can cut yourself. So be prepared.
Just because you messed up, because you're pretty dumb.
I hope you call me dumb one more time, because I'm going to come over there and dumb your head.
What do you mean?
I'm going to hit you in your head.
I'm going to stab you, boy.
I'm going to eat ice cream for my sorrows.
I'm going to put ice cream in your carpet.
In my what?
I'm going to drink that bug juice, that blue one.
I did get some stuff off my face, though.
I'm going to drink that blue bug juice.
Why?
Can I drink it?
Whose is it?
I don't know.
Blair's?
Look at it. When did you get that blue bug juice?
I don't know. Okay, y'all. Well, I'm going to hop off of here and see if I can stop this bleeding. But y'all have a great night. Bye, y'all.